I can't breathe. Mental breakdown part 2. I'm actually feeling pretty fine, but so many things are going wrong in my life recently that I should be having a mental breakdown. So obviously we're all in this isolation and I'm not used to having a routine. I'm the kind of person that depends on change in order to keep like my life interesting. I can't have a routine that is the same for even a week because I get bored. I just get into this cycle and I don't like it, which is really weird because normally people aren't stable until they have a routine. I'm literally the opposite of that and I don't know why. Is that yellow bag gonna annoy me in the back? Yeah, let me just move that. I mean, it's still there, but it's not as noticeable, so we're just gonna skip over that, all right? Okay, thank you. For a girl that likes change, the sudden changes in my life just aren't, they're not cutting it for me, you know? They were a bit too big, too much of a change for me. But I'm actually handling everything pretty well, to be honest. Like, I genuinely am just dyeing my hair because I'm bored. It's not because my uni basically just cancelled my course after 3 years of me studying really hard, and they're gonna base it off my predicted grades, which are from this year, and I actually did really bad because I was having a hard time. And it's also not because I'm going through a breakup. It's literally not because of that. And it's also not because I couldn't get Thomas Eden tickets this morning because I woke up at the wrong freaking time and went back to sleep thinking it'd be a 5-minute nap, and it turned out to be a 3-hour nap, so I missed it and they sold out, and now I'm not going to see him perform. Definitely not because of that, but I feel like all of these things do cover me for a free pass to bleach the fuck out my hair. In all honesty, I'm just bored as shit. I'm actually really happy. I'm coping well with everything, minus the ticket thing. That's actually really affected me, but aside from that, we move. Okay, so in today's video I'm bleaching my hair, only the front bits, guys, don't worry. We're not having a disaster like last time. Okay, that was bad, right? That was bad. I'm just doing the 2 bits at the front of my hair, and I think I saw a girl's video where she did it red, I believe. It went from here all the way down and a little bit under, which it looks so freaking good. So the plan is to bleach that with this, courtesy of Live XL. I actually got gifted these things, and this is even more of a reason why I wanted to do it. And I feel like as a Leo, I just have to do something to draw attention to myself anyway, otherwise what's the point in me existing? Hello. Live XL sent me this package in the post with a bleach. Then I also got a lilac hair dye, which is like a semi-permanent pastel colour. So I'm assuming when I first put it on, it's going to be like a dark purple. Then it'll fade out to a pastel, which would be super cute. And not only that, we also got a silver shampoo along with some other stuff, but these are the ones I'm going to be using in the video today. So this silver shampoo is going to help me if I get any brassiness from the lightener. Obviously, I don't know if you can tell because I've got my hair in plaits, but my hair is pre-lightened anyway, and it's growing out to I haven't had it done in like 3 months, so my roots are pretty dark. This isn't to say that I don't like my hair colour now, can I just say I literally do love my hair right now, but we're in isolation. I'm gonna be here for like 6 months. No one's gonna see me apart from on social media where I can edit my face and edit my hair if it looks no one's gonna see me. I can't believe I'm actually doing this. As I don't want to disappoint Brad Mondo because king, I have watched all of his failure bleach videos and also his recent one that he uploaded 14 hours ago, which is even more of a sign for me to do this on how to correctly bleach your hair. I have jotted down that I have to begin on my mid-lengths to my ends, leave it for 10 for 15 minutes, and then do my roots because obviously it's virgin hair. Use a brush, which I do actually have. I stole it from Byron because obviously he bleaches his hair a lot. From Bleach London, hashtag not spawn, but it was sponsored for him. If you want to sponsor me, I mean, cards on the table. All right, the bleach is in the hair. So all that's left to do is section my hair. I haven't washed my hair in literally 4 to 5 days, so please ignore the condition, the greasiness. In my kit here it says to do on unwashed hair, and online when I've read about it, it says to do it on unwashed hair like 24 hours before, but if you leave it any longer it's fine. I think it's because the natural oils will protect your scalp and stuff from burning. So the fact that I haven't washed my hair in 5 days really just does help me out. So I'm so happy. Why am I crying? I'm so happy that my laziness is coming in handy because it didn't fucking help me this morning to do it when I overslept. I'm so sad. Let's just dye my hair, okay? Let's just section this shit. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. I'm literally freaking out. I'm so scared. So I'm pretty sure you can see the blonde that's already through my hair. So I don't know whether this is gonna like take even more. I didn't think about that really, did I? But I want like this to be blonde. When I did this the last time, as in when I bleached my hair all over my head the last time, I did it with my nan. And my nan had like a lot of experience in bleaching hair. So, oh, do I do that bit as well? Oh my god, my hair is so greasy. Excuse me. Why is everyone sharing a tweet with me? Oh my god. Okay, sorry. Why do I look like this when this is happening? Thomas Eden just released more tickets. Tickets not available. Have I seriously just missed them again? Like everyone literally sent me this. Come on. Anyway, let's do the other side. Have I got bold patch? That is definitely more pointed than that one. So I think all that's left is for me to mix this dye. Let's get reading, girlie. Don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I can't exactly put my teeth on it like it's bleach. Anna. Genuinely, only me. I've washed my mouth out, but I don't know if it's like fully gone. This is going so well, would you not agree? Remove and read the paperboard sleeve from the bottleneck. Please read the instruction and leave it carefully. It's just like one of them TikToks where it goes back and forth and people are like, look at the bio, look up here, look at my teeth, look at there, look back at me. You're into girls. Is it one of them? Screw the applicator tip onto the bottle and remove the plug by... So I didn't need to get bleach in my fucking mouth because this is supposed to do it for me. Oh, this is a powder. Dotted line, dotted line. Cool. Does this packet at the end? So, why don't I look up there for the instructions? I swear to God, if anyone puts anything inappropriate over this, I'm suing. So we're gonna do this for all of them, and then after 15 minutes, we're gonna do the roots, just like Brad Mondo said. We're gonna need more where that came from. This is so fun. I'm just gonna twiddle them together so they all stay there while I do this side. It's touching my face, what do I do? That means Thomas Eden tickets are coming out. Alright, I get it. I know. I just don't want to miss them again. So now it's time to bleach it at the roots, which is going to be fun. Oh, fuck, I've got it in the other part of my hair. Overexposed, life on overdose. If I can get JLS, how can I not get Thomas Eden? Like, seriously? That scared the shit out of me, Freddie. Did he fall in the bath? Oh my God, we're going to see Thomas. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Oh my goodness, this is blonde. Why does this strand look like it's not had bleach on? This really doesn't look like it's got bleach on. I'm a bit concerned, Darren. Don't know why that is. Holy shit. Oh my God, I'm actually going blonde. I keep like forgetting that it's happening and it's just kind of not real. This is so funny to me. Oh my God, guys, I'm blonde. Holy shit, my nose is running like no tomorrow. So this is still brown compared to everything, so I feel like I definitely need to put a bit more back on there, even though I know the roots go wiser. So Brad Mondo, if you're watching, I know you're gonna regret me doing this. What if it goes orange? What am I gonna do? I mean, we've got the bleach, so we may as well. And Brad Mondo said be generous with it. Oh, I can't wait to regret this in 3 days. So I'm gonna leave this on my hair for, I think you can leave it up to an hour. I'm basically just gonna leave it on until I think it's done. Obviously gonna leave it like half an hour definitely. So I'll see you when that's done, I guess. Well, this is what it looks like before I'm about to wash it off. Oh my God, it actually looks purple. I don't think I'd mind it if it was purple now. I have just washed my hair and it came out really brassy, hence why I put the silver shampoo on. I'm gonna leave it a few days until I do this because I want to see how the blonde turns out. This toner looks like it's gonna turn my hair purple. I'm supposed to leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. So if it does go purple, then at least I have like this as a backup and I can just dye it purple. Anyway, I will come back to you in 5 minutes when I've washed it off. Stinky, stinky. I don't know how to start my sentence because I don't know how to feel. So as I said, when I first washed it, it looked really brassy, as in some places it still looked brown, so I was a bit concerned, but I didn't want to do what you were literally told to never do and re-bleach your hair. So obviously I threw the bleach away, haven't re-bleached it, but then I put in the toner. The toner was just a silver shampoo that Live XL sent me along with the package, and I feel like it's worked wonders, I'm not gonna lie. So this part is literally, I think, a perfect colour, and when I dry it, is gonna be bellissimo. However, as you can see here, this is still brassy. I'm not gonna lie to myself, it's brassy. But because it's next to brown hair that's been highlighted, I don't know if it's gonna look that bad when it's dried, to be honest. I'm a bit not sure how to feel. But yeah, all that's left to do is dry it. But I have a feeling I'm gonna like it. Don't wanna jinx myself, but I think I'm gonna like it. So this is my hair fully dried. It doesn't actually look that bad. It's just yellow. It's not brassy, it's not white. It's yellow. It's a deeper yellow compared to the rest, and because I've got highlights throughout my hair, I kind of want it to be similar colour. I have literally just spoken to Byron and Freya, and she said just try silver shampoo again, order a bleach to do in like a week's time, because obviously if my roots grow through and stuff, that's gonna die in seconds. I'll just basically redo what I did today, but I need to give my hair rest, which I already know that from last time. So yeah, I'm just gonna silver shampoo it and leave it on for probably like 20 minutes, so longer than what I did before, because I only left it on for 3 to 5 minutes. I thought it really lifted the colour with the Live XL one that I used. Please Please excuse the bronzer that has come off my forehead, but I currently look like my nan. So weird, like in the camera it looks a lot whiter than it actually is, but I'm not hating on that. So this is what the purple shampoo did. I feel like it's a massive difference to what it looked like before. I know that like this bit here, for example, is still quite yellowy. Kind of really like it. Very Cruella de Vil vibes. That's what I'm getting from it anyway. I don't know if you will. In the camera.
It looks really white in camera.
I know, but then in person it's not. This is what I mean. It's playing tricks on me.
It's just yellow at the top.
I love how you couldn't even lie and be like, no, it's nice. No, okay, so if this bit was this colour, would you not think if I just got a toner?
No, you need to bleach again.
Upon last review, I really don't hate it. I don't know whether it's just because I'm looking at the viewfinder and it looks a lot whiter, but even in person, like, apart from the yellowish part, I feel like you guys are obviously gonna get the result if I bleach it again, because if you follow me on my social medias, then I will always post it. TikTok has kind of been like my main platform, ATM, as well as Instagram. I love promoting myself. But yeah, I guess that's the end of the video. It's crazy. Anyway, I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you do want updates on the hair, let me know, as in if I do go purple or if I buy a bleach and re-bleach it, etc. If you guys want to be updated with my like hair journey, then do let me know. I personally think for a first try, this is pretty damn good. I'm gonna say so myself. Bad Mondo, if you're watching, hopefully I did you proud. I also, can I just disclaim, I didn't put my hair in foils or a plastic bag or anything like that, because in the packaging it actually said not to. Again, thank you so much to Live XL for even sending me this package. You guys are freaking incredible. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next video. This is so exciting.